Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Uba Lahkmen Rymbui ubalong Menteri jong ke Sorkar Jela udah kentu ya ke Tnat sam Bording jong ke Jela bakadai ban Ïasyllok Shwa bin pebin bat ki Paidbah ki ban sa syakta Shwa ban penyak syakhamat ya ke jingshna ya ke slampen mi Bording ya ke balatip kom ke omngot pa project habaya keren bat kilat pathai khobor ba Lahkmen ulaong babon ni ki Paidbah ki dai ki baju im kamai jakpo na kawa omngot Bat kumjuru bakadai kawa ka baju pendap penbiang ye ki jingdon kam jong ki babon ki shnong wat shado kari Bangladesh ru.
We are against or support this issue, but any issue which involve a large scale displacement of land, large scale or small scale, I don't know, displacement of the people, this need to be discussed. So this need to have to be in the public domain, so that people will know what will happen next. And I'm sure that the Power Department will do due diligence, inform the people what it is needed and what it is, how it will affect and how it will benefit, so that the people will be the best judgment of that, how to go forward. I am not talking about the other countries. I'm talking about directly who is the people who are affecting. As we see that from the source, some people, we cannot deny the fact that in any project there will be opposition, there will be a support of this project. So as the government, the proper dissemination of information is very, very important. So I hope that in the few days or few months or few things that the Power Department or the project proponent MCL will inform and enlighten the people. Then after that, let the people take a necessary decision how to go. Then the government will take a decision. This is the public hearing which concerns the people who are affected. So the people who are affected, they come against this project. And I cannot deny the fact that there are some people who are for this project also. But having seen, as the government, having seen this opposition and also some people who are supporting, so we have to go deep into it and see that how we could inform the people the benefit of the project, and especially to those who are directly affected by this project, whether this project will really affect the livelihood, whether the water which if they construct the dam will really affect the flow of the water into the downstream, the quality of water. This need to be explained to the people. So then only, so as a local representative of one of the people affect this area, so I myself, I see that the proper consultation should started and seek the view of each and every village. We should not just depend upon one public hearing at one place. Having seen the opposition people, we should at least go into this affected area and keep the proper management of water and the proper plan how this water will affect or not affect the people of that area.